Taxmart. Number 8, Camillo. Number 94, Stanley Cabusal. Number 19, Sean Cabusal. And number 6, Bulacan. And number 0, Justin. 4, Silog. Number 0, Gautam. Number 16, Maclawi. Number 13, Catalios. Number 10, Manarili. And number 15, Kuya. Okay, officials for tonight, Valen and Raymond. First possession belongs to Silog. Maslawi. To Gautam. Catalios to Gautam. For Trey. Short. Rebound Catalios. Gautam. Stolen by Sean. Forward pass to Stanley. Stanley goes the course for a layup. Taxmart Cafe is right first. Stolen and turned over by Catalios. Stolen by Stanley. Understeal by Maslawi. Maslawi drives. He will be fouled. Foul is on number 19. Sean Cabusal, first personal foul, first team foul. First free throw is no good for Maslawi. Zero and 2 for Maslawi, rebound Stanley. Stanley to Sean. Sean to Camillo. Camillo from deep. Too strong. Rebound back. Hand back. Over the back foul on number 0, Justin. First personal foul. Second team foul. Yes, 2-0 is the score. 2-0 in favor of Taxmart Cafe. Kuya to Gautam. Maslawi underneath the basket for 2. Tight over. 2 apiece. Cabusal let it fly. In and out, rebound Catalios. Catalios to Kuya. Ten seconds to shoot. Kuya at Bakday. Money for Kuya. 4-2 in favor of Silog. Taxmart Cafe playing desperate in this one. They need to leave this ball game if they want to go to the postseason. Canino from deep, no good. Ball hit the brace of the backboard. Possession Silog. Gautam to Kuya. Catalios to Kuya to Gautam. To Kuya. Kuya. 8 seconds to shoot. Catalios to Maslawi. Layup is short. Rebound. Bulacan. Stanley with the ball. Stanley 10. White. Fakes. Moves closer. Money for Justin. Side ball game again. 4 apiece. Gautam to Catalios. Catalios guarded by Camillo. Inside pass. Maslawi for 2. Sweet pass by Catalios to Maslawi. Great vision for Catalios. Stanley from deep. Too strong, rebound, Catalios. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 19. Cabusal, Sean Cabusal, second personal foul, third team foul, Sabrek. Sean Cabusal for Kerry. Kuya. Pass to Catalios. Gautam. Pass to Manarili. 4 seconds. number 6, Bulaon. First personal foul on Bulaon. Warning for penalty. Oh, top shot. First free throw is good for Tatalios. 7-4 is the score in favor of Silog. 2 out of 2 for Mark Tatalios. Stanley to Canillo. Canillo. Long 2. That's a 2. 2-pointer is good for Canillo. Stepping on the line. And this is 2-pointer. Kuya. String by Canillo. Kuya. Jumper. No good. Rebound. Canillo. Canillo to Chan. Chan. Challenge is the big of Kuya. No good. Rebound. Gautam. Gautam. To Kuya. Kuya, denied goal. Ball ends up with Tatalios. Foul on the floor. Foul off the shot of Manalili, number 6. Bulaon, second personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws will be given to Manalili. First free throw short for Ivan. Short. Free throw violation for Silog. Two-point game in favor of Silog. Stanley. In by Bulaon. To Canillo. Canillo cans the corner three. And for the lead. 9-8. That's true, so tied ball game only. Stepping, so tied ball game only. Gautam for 3. 3-pointer is good for Gautam. 11-8 is the score in favor of Silog. Bulaon. To Abusa. Tan fakes. Split the defense, knocks it out, the rim is not looking. Good intention, but this teammate is not looking. Ends up in turnover. 3-point lead by Silog. Gautam running the point for Silog. Pass deflected by Tan. Ends up in Stanley. Canillo drives, Canillo scores. The lead is cut down to 1 by Taxmar. Tatalios looking for a teammate. Gautam. Pass to Kuya. Kuya. Denied. Covers a foul on the floor. Hands foul is on number 6. Bulaon. That's 3 on Bulaon. 10 personal foul penalty. Substitution left. Bulaon for Sean Cabusa. Two free throws will be given to Kuya. First free throw is good for Kuya. 12-10 is the score. Two out of 2 for Kuya. 13-10 is the score in favor of Silog. 56 seconds left. Stanley to Tan. Stepping out of bounds for Josh Tan. Stepping out of bounds. Seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Silog, chance for a 2-for-1. Chance for 2-for-1 for Silog. Kuya. Gautam, target practice. Bang! Taxmart Cafe. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Taxmart Cafe. This is the second quarter, week 7, last game. Silog versus Taxmart Cafe. Silog fighting for their postseason line. Stanley, top of the fairway, short. Rebound ends up with Manali. 6-point lead by Silog. Catalios. For Trey, Douglas, rebound shot. Poke away. Ends up with Karim. Shot. From to the basket. Denied by Catalios. Last touch on Silog. Possession Taxmart. Stanley. To Valero. Valero shot is short. Rebound Kuya. To Maslawi. Maslawi. Luros left. Maslawi has an out. Phenomenal game. Shot. Pass to Canillo. Canillo. No good rebound. Stanley. Put back no good. Rebound shot. Put back still no good. Rebound ends up with Maslawi. Pass to downtown. Pass is too strong. Intended for downtown. Good handle the pass. Turnover. Stanley. Strong down to the basket. No good. Rebound. Kirin. Kirin. One shot. No good. There's a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 13, Satsalios. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Julius Kirin. Subrep. Santos for Camillo. First free throw is good to Kirin. Cutting the lead to 7 for Taxmart. 1 out of 2 for Kirin. Rebound Casario. Casario looking for a teammate. To Maslawi. Maslawi driving to the basket for goal! Maslawi is having a great game. Lead is 9 for Silog. Shan. Running jumper now with rebound Kabusao. Took away, stolen by Downtown. Downtown to Kuya. Elbow game is strong. Rebound Downtown. Downtown counter, no good. Last touch on Taxmart. Possession Silog. 14 seconds to shoot. Satsalios rebound for Silog. Pass to Manalili. Manalili to Kuya. Jumper, Manalili for Kuya. Silog is playing loose. the pass. Kabusao. JM couldn't handle the pass. Next subject. This game has no bearing for Silog. Win or lose, they're on to the playoffs. Kuya Kate, Fishing Expedition. Two free throws will be given to Kuya, substitution death. Foul as on number 94, Kabusao. First personal foul, first team foul. Timeout, Silog. 5 minutes and 49 remaining in the second quarter.
What? I think no one has They're gonna get worse. No, they get that worse.
11-point lead by Silog.
But that's like that for this. Just to like, chill. Not as bad. It's still bad, but like, you can't hate them. You can't hate who you played with.
Potential for us.
You can see it, bro. They start focusing and then they start getting like, tension. Like you saw how they played. You just need to.
Came up to the ball game. 4 minutes and 30. Kuya at the free throw line for 2 free throws. First free throw short for Kuya. One and two for Kuya. 23-11 is the score. Stanley, jumper, money for Stanley. 10-point game in favor of Silog. Gautam to Tatalios. Tatalios to Manalili. To Tatalios. Tatalios pass. Intended for Manalili is too high. Turnover for Silog. Kabusao to Valerio denied by Manalili, rebound Tatalios. Defense by Manalili. Gautam, pass, deflected, recovered by Gautam to Tatalios. Kuya to Gautam. Gautam, running jumper. Money for Gautam. The lead is 12 for Silog. 10 to Kabusao. Kabusao to Valerio. Turns the ball over. Solid by Manalili. Kuya pass to Gautam. And it is done. Pass to Kabusao. Moves closer to Stanley. Stanley from deep, picking up Ivan Valerio. Good luck by Valerio. Now to Ivan Bulalon. Good luck by Bulalon. Good. Ivan Kabusao. Good luck by Kabusao. The lead is 12. Last 2 minutes of the second quarter. Taxmart Cafe playing for their lives. They will be eliminated if they will lose this game. Kuya from deep, now good rebound Sean. Sean up to the razor. Kabusao. Pass intercepted by Kuya. Gautam right, Gautam score. 10 14-point lead for Silog. 10, foul on the floor, blocking foul on Silog. Who's foul left? Number 16, thank you, Mashlal. First personal foul, second team foul. Baseline throwing for Taxman. Sean looking for a teammate. To Stanley. Stanley to Sean. Sean pass. Stanley too high to handle. Turnovers are piling up for Silog for Taxman Thunder. Kuya, guarded by Kabusa. Screen by Chachalo. Kuya. Shot. Floater is good for Kuya. 4-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Chan to Stanley. To Valerio. Valerio denied by Maslali. Rebound. Chachalo. Great hands by Maslali. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 30, Valerio. First personal foul, second team foul. That's the end of the first half. 2 free throws from the Downtown. First free throw for Downtown is good. One out of Downtown, that's the end of the first half. 32-15 is the score at the end of the first half. 17-point lead by Silog heading to the second half.
As what? What did you say? Get in some class, bro. Come on.
Hey, back to the ball game. 17-point lead by Silog heading to the second quarter. Second half, rather. 32-15. Third quarter possession belongs to Silog. 32-15. The score. Kuya, driving layup for 2. Kabusa, leading the defense. Last touch, kick ball on Silog. Kabusa to Chan. Chan, to Bulao. To Canillo. Kabusa from deep, short, rebound, Stanley. To Bulao, Lima, foul from behind. Foul is on number 0. Gautam, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Christian Bulao. First free throw is no good for Christian. Second one is over, no good, rebound Tatalo. Gautam to Kuya. Kuya. Pass to Gautam. Gautam drives, Gautam scores. Stanley 8. Jumper is good for Stanley Kabusa. 36-17 is the score in favor of Silog. Kuya, Tumaslawi, mga challenge sa stolen by Kapusaw. Forward pass to Silintan. All alone for a layup. (36-19) in favor of Silog. The challenge to Kuya. Kuya adds the corner to it. 20-point lead now for Silog. Stanley. Pass to Sean. Sean to Canillo. Canillo. No turn in the play. Rebound to Challenge. Pass to Kuya. Kuya to Gautan. Gautan running the jumper. No good. Rebound. Sean. His brother Stanley. Stanley come back to the basket for an easy two. The lead is 18 for Silog. Top smart playing for their lives. Tatalo sa Maslawi. To Gautam. Gautam to Maslawi. Maslawi to Kuya. 4 seconds to shoot. Kuya, jumper as well. Everything is falling for Silog. Back to 20-point game. Tan with a euro. No good. Rebound. Mulaon. Mulaon. Open hard. Pasasal. Foul is on number 0. Gautam. Second personal foul. 17 foul. Chance for an and one for Christian Bulaon. Bonus free throw is still good. Rebound Kuya. Point lead for Silog. Gautam. To Kuya. Pass. Unforced turnover for Silog. Canillo to Kabusaw. To Sean. Sean to Canillo. Canillo from deep. Bang! Rebound is good. Timeout. Silog. 5 minutes and 3 seconds in the third quarter. The lead is cut down to 15, 41-26. Taxmark rallying in the third quarter within striking distance. Okay, back to the ball. Silog. Up by 15. Win or lose, they're in for the postseason. Meanwhile, Taxmark Cafe needs to win this game in order for them to enter the playoffs. If they lose, Rapsaran Studio will enter the postseason. If Taxmark wins, they will go in the playoffs instead of Rapsaran Studio. Kuya with the ball. Kuya, Ipasalo. Maslawi, poke away by Sean. Kuya, tabagakit, way back! Back to an 18-point game. Hand takes. Hand to to Canillo. Canillo, back-to-back break! Canillo. Back to a 15-point game. Last 3 minutes in the third quarter. Challenge from the break! The challenge in his own version of the play. Back to a 15-point game. Shot, the answer. No good. Rebound, downtown. Downtown. To Manalili. Manalili, floater, no good. What's the call, right? 3 seconds inside the key. 3 seconds inside the key. Turnover for Silog. Kapusa out of time. Time to Stanley. Stanley to Canillo. Canillo with the hand hands. This time no good. Rebound shot to Stanley. Putback is good for Stanley Kapusa. 16-point game. Tax Mark still within striking distance. Sachalios, win by Manalili. Sachalios to Kuya. Kuya, batted by time, doesn't matter, ends the corner play. The lead is 19 for Silog. Stanley from deep, no good, unlucky from Sachalios. Gautang, on way to the basket, ladies and gentlemen. 21-point lead now for Silog. Stanley, swings it to the basket. Unlucky, put up the shot, no good, rebound. Kuya. Kuya, Sachalios. Sachalios, shot, it's good. There's a foul for Sachalios. Foul is on Tax Mark, who's ball left? Number 19. Sean Kapusa, third personal foul, first team foul. Chance for an end one for Sachalios. Bonus free throw is good for Sachalios. 55-31 is the score. Time wide open play. Next up play. Rebound is good for Justin. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 55 for Silog and 34 for Taxmark Coffee. 21-point lead by Silog heading to the final frame.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the Make This Move. The number of your life basketball network. Bringing you this is a new recording experience since 2021. 18 of one day. Lehman Brothers,
Hey, this is the last and final quarter of the night. Big 7, Silog versus Taxmark Cafe. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Taxmark. Sean, woman purple is good. 3-pointer is good for Sean Cabusal. The lead is cut down to 18. Kuya, guarded by Camilo. Kuya to Maslawi. Maslawi to Gautam. Gautam, 2 seconds to shoot. Gautam dahil, Raymond Gonzalez. Last touch on Gonzalez. Turnover, possession back. Great vision for a referee. Stanley to Sean. Sean from deep. Uses the window. Back to the play for Sean Cabusal. The lead is the dominant team. Plenty of time left. We're still in striking distance. Natalios. Number 3 rebound Stanley. Stanley. Up to the races. Stanley drives. Good. Last touch on Silok. What's the call, ref? Time out? Time out! Silog! That's the first time out of Silog. 8 minutes and 22 remaining on the final frame. Play back to the ball ring. Seven minutes and 52 remaining. The lead is 15. One. Tan, guarded by Maslawi. Tan, driving layup. No, that was good. Tan. The lead is down to 13. Here comes Taxman Clubber. Tatarios to Manalili to Maslawi. Maslawi drives, block, rebound, Cabusal. Cabusal, Ibulaon. Sean, let it run from deep, no good. Rebound, Canillo, Canillo. Right place at the right time. Canillo gets down to 11. Tatarios to Manalili to Tatarios. Tatarios surrounded by Bulaan, screen by Manalili to Maslawi. Maslawi, Yano jumper. Money! That's the Canillo for Maslawi. Surrounded by Maslawi. Great pass by Maslawi. Gautam. Gautam denied by Stanley. Rebound Manalili. Put back for good. Rebound. Cabusal. Stanley. Guarded by Manalili. To Canillo. Canillo wide open. Bang! Moving dribble for Canillo. The lead is down to 10. Here comes Taxman. Kuya, starting this match. Kuya, timing this match. Kuya, takes, shot, money for Kuya. Stop the ground for Silog. 1-point game in favor of Silog. Cabusal to Sean. Step up play. No good. Rebound Tan. Tan, counter. Rebound. Rebound. Last touch on Silog. Possession Taxman. 14 to shoot for the red shirts. Tan to Stanley. To Stanley to Canillo. Canillo with the hand. Over shoots. Rebound Gautam. 5 minutes left in the final frame. Chalios to Gautam. Gautam to Kuya. Kuya. Timing mismatch. Running baseline. Turns the ball forward. Great defense by Joshua. Chance for Taxmar to move it over. The lead is well. Stanley to Sean. Sean takes. To Stanley. Stanley to Canillo. Canillo. Short. Rebound Stanley. Stanley. Low the reserve. Kamusa. The lead is 10. Force it over. What a game. Still within striking distance is Taxmar. Kuya. Kuya nevertheless will be fouled. He will go to the line for two. Hands foul on number 0, Justin. Second personal foul, first team foul. Kuya will shoot 2 free throws for Silong. First free throw is good for Kuya. The lead is 11 for Silong. 3 minutes and 34 in the final frame. Two out of 2 for Angelo Kuya. 61-49 is the score in favor of Silong. Stanley to Justin. Kabusa untuk Bulanan nomor 7, hindi pa Bulanan. Punta kay Bulanan sa the lead is 10 for Silong. Gautam, dancing with Canillo. Long throw. Iniang ibang Kabusa. Kabusa to Justin. Good point. Layup is good for Justin. The lead is 8. 2 minutes and 39 remaining. Kuya still by Gonzalez. Kuya. Water by Sean. Kuya. 10-point game. 2 minutes and 25 in the final play. Time from deep. Too strong rebound to Gonzalez. Gautam. From back to the basket. Shot no good. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 6, Bulacan. Bulacan for personal foul. Sublet. Bulacan for carrying. Team fouls, 2 for Taxmar, 0 for Silong. 2 team fouls for Taxmar. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. First free throw is good for Gautam. The lead is 11 for Silong. 2 out of 2 for Gautam. 12-point game in favor of Silong. Last 2 minutes. Sean, longest three, no good. Rebound Canillo. Canillo from deep, still no good. Rebound Manabili. Last touch on Manabili. Our last touch on Taxmar. A minute and 47 left. Manabili the ball to Gautam. The lead is 12. Gautam to Maslawi. Maslawi to Gautam. Kuya from deep, yes sir! 3-point minus Angelo Kuya. And the lead balloons to 15. Sean to Stanley. Right, score! He's going to the line for 2. Chance for anyone for Stanley. Foul is on number. Who's fouled that? Ref was fouled. 18. 15 Kuya. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus papers went for Stanley. Stanley going for the bonus papers. 56-68. Layup by Rotan is good. Canillo to Stanley. Denied by Rotan. Rebound Kuya. Mashlawi. Saves it to Rotan. Rotan. Shot. He's going to the line to end one. Rotan. Foul is on number 94. Stanley. Second personal foul. 13 foul. $74-56 is the score in favor of Silog. Bonus free throw is no good. Rebound, Kiring. 10. Jumper. Money for Justin. What's the call there? Foul on. Number 0, Justin. Third personal foul. Wari for penalty. Possession remains with Silog, 16 on the shot clock. Kuya, to Tasalios. Layup na good, rebound Stanley. Stanley to Jostan. Can from deep, short rebound Tasalios.
I just want to go.
6 seconds left. Shot clock violation. Possession tax mark. Sorry, it's tax mark. Last 4 seconds. Anillo from deep, no good. That's the end of the last game. Official score 72 for Silog and 58 for Tax Mark Company.